In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove free shipping in Shopify. Let's get started by navigating directly to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home page of your store. From here, look for the Online Store option in the menu on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the section where you can manage all visual aspects and configurations of your online shop. Now, you should see a couple of different tabs here. You'll want to focus on the Themes section because that's where you'll be customizing your store's appearance and settings. In Themes, click on the one that's highlighted. This is typically your live theme that customers currently see when they visit your site. Make sure you're on the right theme since any changes you make will immediately apply to it. Next, with the theme selected, look for an option that says Edit Default Theme Content. This area is where you can modify various parts of the website, including the text and phrases that appear on the page. Here, you're essentially delving into the language settings of your theme, which is crucial for our task today. Once you're in the Edit section, find the search bar. This tool allows you to quickly locate specific content within your theme, which is incredibly useful. Click on it and type in free shipping. The search bar will pull up instances where this phrase is used across your theme's content. When you see the entries for free shipping, simply go ahead and delete the phrases where applicable. It's important to only remove the content that directly results in free shipping text being displayed to customers. Make sure not to delete any important navigation or coded text unless you're certain it pertains to the free shipping feature. And that's it. You've successfully removed the free shipping text from your Shopify store. Doing so ensures that your site's language accurately reflects the policies and promotions you want to offer. If you're looking to specify different shipping terms, you can always navigate back to your Shopify settings to adjust those details. Remember, the accuracy of the information you present to your customers is crucial for maintaining trust and a professional appearance. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found it informative and helpful for managing your Shopify store. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.